This afternoon, I walked out on the Lake Mendota. I fished between 25 and 35 feet of water. I put up 2 tip downs with a number 12 treble hook, a split shot, and a crappie minnow hook through the back. And then I jigged around with a jigging spoon and jigging ramp. And I mostly just ended up dropping down a hook, just a size 6 hook, and a split shot in the minnow and watching on my flasher. The fish seemed really tight to bottom, and I made a rookie mistake when I was filming this video. And I was fishing with Cody Walker, my friend.
I don't know, I should try a fresh minnow though. I've had these minnows for like a month.
Those are the same ones?
Yep.
You put an aerator in there when you get home?
No, I bought an aerator the other day. So.
Okay. And then right about this time I just started getting, slammed.
Yeah. I'm not seeing.
The only time you get them to bite when the camera's out, son?
Is when it's really bright out.
Yeah.
So I almost wonder if the light isn't like scaring them a little bit.
It could be, because I know the Aquaview ones are infrared.
Yeah.
And they have a light. Just get bite.
Shit, missed it. Yeah. Like this one I think is just has a light.
Yeah, I used to have an infrared one. But it wasn't hard, or it wasn't near the quality of a Aquaview. It was called a Fish TV.
I like this one because you can record with it like right on the screen. That's why I got this one. And it was a good deal, but I don't think you can turn the light off. I think the Berries had a Fish TV too.
What's that?
I think the Berries might have had the same one you had, a Fish TV. I wonder how old Randy Berry's doing. I need to see him. I wonder when Derek's actually getting married. Oh, another dinky walleye. Yeah.
So this day, I was out fishing on Lake Mendota from about 3:30 until dark. I caught 5 perch and 2 walleyes, and Cody I think caught like 3 or 4 walleyes and like 9 perch, and he was out there from like noon till dark. And they were just biting on a dead stick minnow on a single hook. And you should go check out this kitty's channel, the Benny show because he needs friends. And he has on his pimpin' pink sweater right now that we got from Walmart. And my shoutouts for this video are to Maryland Outdoors and Jet Wash Outdoors. Thanks for watching this episode of Muskie Hans Outdoors, and please subscribe.